Hey, it's Ben from More 4x4. Just wanting to show you over this cruiser. So it's got a fair bit of weight, it's got a big camper body on it. And he's finally fed up with the terrible brakes on it. So it's got the factory booster in here. So you can see how small that is. We've got this JMacx booster, double diaphragm booster on it. So you can see how wide that is there. Bring it over. So you get that compared to the little one that's in there. Now we've got all the lines going in as well, because that can produce a heap more pressure. So we've got all these lines going in, getting rid of those standard rubber lines, which are here. Nice pretty blue ones. Okay, another thing we're doing is down the back here. This guy lives near the water, so these rotors are just hammered. So look at that contact here, it's just nasty. So we'll get some new rotors on there and new pads, and yeah, this should be a massive, well, it will, guarantee it, will be a massive improvement. So yeah, get it done. Hey, back again now, just going over this JMacx booster upgrade. So we've now got that in here. You can see the width difference. We've just washed it all down because you got to pull the lines off the ABS here, so you get a bit of brake fluid down here. So it just neutralised all that. So we've got brake lines in there, beautiful new brake lines, and up in there, got a couple of new brake lines in there. Also coming to the back, got rid of those nasty rotors, got some nice new rotors in there, all washed down, got the pads in there, straight like that. And then just come and show you this, how bad this was over here. So just to give you an idea, these pads, look at the difference in wear on this thing. So this one was on this side, so that one had been chopped so hard down that side, and then on the inside looked not super bad. So yeah, I'm sitting there, so really poor wear pattern there. Yeah, she's going to drive like a dream now.